Hi, this is Justin Udy, team leader of Justin Udy and Team Real Estate. Today I want to talk about common mistakes that will kill your home purchase. Before we go there, I want you to be aware of a couple things. When we go into this market, typically, statistically, 90% of the people in the market are going to get a loan. 10% are going to end up paying cash. This message for the 90% that is going to get a loan. And so that is the majority of people. This is the craziest thing that we've ever encountered is when we go to a closing table and somebody has done something where they have amazing income, amazing credit, amazing job, and they literally are said at the closing table, "We're so sorry, we can't even give you the loan." They lose their earnest money, all the money they spent for an appraisal, inspections, and just emotional investment that just really kills the deal. So these are the things I want you to avoid doing before you purchase a property, because it happens and it may be simple, but it's things you gotta make sure that you do. So number one is I want you to make sure that one, you're not buying anything. You're not gonna buy a car, you're not gonna buy furniture, you're not gonna go buy these big ticket items that end up putting a balance on your credit card and it ends up being a red flag for a lender. It ends up sometimes pushing our ratios different, which sometimes can affect our credit scores. So we need to avoid buying anything that's big ticket items. I would tell you if it's anything that you under $100, I just would say be as careful as you can. Over 500 is probably too much. I would just say be as careful as you possibly can. Avoid those purchases until after. Next, and one thing as a note with the furniture items, don't buy furniture until you close anyway, because if for some reason something goes wrong, you don't want to own a couch that you can't return because there's something that happened, and just wait until you close. That's just a good practice. The number two item I want to tell you is stay at your job. Sounds simple, but we've had people that literally quit their job 2 and 3 days before it closed. And so just remember, to buy a home, you have to have income to pay it. If you don't have income, right before closing, the bank will end up calling and they will confirm or do a verification of employment. They call it a VOE. And they're going to call and confirm that you still work there literally the day of or the day before closing. And so don't go there. Include a sabbatical. If you're going to go on a sabbatical, you need to make sure that that is something that is approved, because they may say, look, you're on sabbatical, you're not working, you're not making income. So don't leave. Surgeries. If you have something where you're on leave, that can make you stop from getting a loan. So just remember, you need to be actively working and making a paycheck and money, or that may actually hurt you and you're not gonna be able to get into that home. And the only last thing that I want you to consider is that that you're not applying for additional credit. What ends up happening is when you start applying for different credit cards, applying for different things, it can affect that credit score. It can also throw up a red flag where you're saying, why are you applying for all this credit in all these places? Are you having an issue with your income and so forth? So sit tight. Make sure you're doing the things that you're to move forward and buying your home, but don't be spending money. Don't be applying for stuff. Just be getting things ready. And also as you are preparing, and this is kind of the bonus number 4, I guess, is on the bonus item is make sure that you just make sure that whatever you put money down for in the next home, that it can be refundable. Because sometimes things, a closing that may happen on a Thursday can't happen until the following week. And we need to move those movers, and we need to be able to make sure that those dates and deadlines and things are flexible. Things that we purchase that can be returned. So look forward to helping you. If you need anything, please reach out. Again, it's Justin Udy, and we will be talking to you soon. Thanks.